So guys, when I finished this bag and handed it to the lining side, I realized I could not access my handles if I closed the zipper as shown. So to solve this problem, you'll just make two sets of handles, one to be used on the denim side and the other on the lining side. And on the lining, stitch it a bit lower so that it is not bulky on the zipper. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.